And we worked out the numbers and we said, okay, well, this is what it's going to cost us for every month that we delay the project. Right? And at first, I got the reaction as you do with most small organizations going, what? That's what we spend? Which is, I won't go into numbers, but it's actually less than what most other large organizations spend. However, as I said before, for a small organization, these numbers can be quite jarring. So when you go, what, that's what we spend on resources, licensing, fixed overhead costs and infrastructure, personnel, internal, external, their reaction is usually a bit of a visceral one. Now, having said that, I encourage them to think about what they would lose in terms of sales, manufacturing, and their processes or their loss as an organization, and put that into numbers as well, because I'm not sure how often that is encouraged, and I don't see that very often, to go, okay, well, what is our cost-benefit analysis? This is a very simple cost-benefit analysis. So we go, right, once we establish that we make a good point to push back, the appreciation from the senior leadership and the people on the ground is that, yes, it makes sense to move the project timeline. So now I go back to the same question, which is that seen as a project failure? Like I said, objectively, it probably does. We've moved the timeline. It's cost us more. But the organization, the client, sees a lot more value in doing that than anything else. Now,